We are going to the store to get a few things to eat because we don't have anything. And I get tired of eating out. We had some food last night. The meat was pretty salty and I just enjoy eating in. So we are going to the neighbor suggested for us I'm blanking out on the name, but I'll pull it up in a second. Sorry, sugar. Ay, oh big you got.
At the light, turn left onto Avenue Gambetta. Then the destination is on your right.
We're almost there.
The destination is on your right, 20 Avenue Gambetta.
Intermarché. Perfect. Voilà, on va au supermarché pour acheter quelque chose, des choses. Yeah, I don't enjoy speaking French, so yeah, allons-y. It looks like there's pharmacy is separated from the main building. Let's see what they have. Actually, I have no money. I still don't have any European money. So let's go. So I didn't have a token or €1 to get a cart, so the gentleman going down the aisle there gave me his cart and got another one for himself. It was very nice of him. Yeah. Oh, maybe I can change money here. I should check. Anyway, qu'est-ce que vous voulez? What do you want? We are going to buy things in order to be able to make food for the drive back. If you watched my other video, I made food to come here and it was nice because I didn't have to worry about finding a place to eat. And y'all, if you travel, sometimes eating out can make you sick, so it's nice to be able to cook and not stop to get food on the way. Looks like quite a big store. this, love? Ooh, eh? Potatoes. Ooh, eggplant. That looks nice. Oh, this section looks nice. The chicken fruit section. Carrot, poireau, pomme, and we have grapes and things. Ooh, fruits de mer. Some bananas. Pineapple. It's very nice. I see salmon. I need my other Produits de la mer. Frozen section, it seems. And the bakery area. Our bread from Germany is almost done. We had baguette. We can get another one. This is grain. Yeah, let's try some grain. Some sweets here. It'll be nice to have some stuff for when my brother comes by. Yesterday we didn't have anything. This looks like brownie. I'm not sure. Let's try that one. It is €3.95. This one looks good. Cigarette pour beurre. That looks good. And that one was €3.39. Madeleine chocolat au lait. That sounds good. €3.21. Let's try that one. €3.21. €21. Why? Because 41, no? 10. Mm? Oh, this is nice. They have a waterfall. Oh, the drunk section. It's the drunk section. Let's see if we can find you some snacks. You like to have something to munch on. I'm not sure why it's in the middle of the drink section. Let's walk in there. See? Some chips. See if we find things we recognize. Nope. I don't see anything I think you'd like, love. Curly. You wanna try one of these ones? 55 cents or euros. Let's try this one, see if you like it.
Aïe! C'est celui qui s'est mangé. J'ai pas mangé en fait. Hein?
We are going back to the... You know what? Ah, darn. The biggest issue I have is that I should have brought my seasoning with me, and I didn't. But hopefully I'll find a good seasoning that I can use for cooking. Mm. Crackers. These look good. Yeah, for $2.51. Let's try these and see if they're good. I wish my brother had time to hang out with us. Household items. Are you hitting my chest? containers for storing food. Kadula. That is something I have to think about because I need something to store the food for the way. I found the meat section. This is chicken. The lamb section. This is the beef section. Looks like it goes all the way to the end over there. We'll have to walk around and see what options we have. These look good. Be marinated. Maybe that'll be a better option for me. Pizza. And again, I guess they celebrate Halloween here too, like the US. So they have their decoration up already. Cheese section. Wow, this place is rather big. It's just aisles and aisles and aisles of things. I am running low on battery, but I did want to show the already prepared food section that you can buy right here. Lots of options here. So now that the camera's battery is out, we'll probably walk around and actually find what we need. It's a lot. And of course, can't go without some sweets. chocolat, délicieuse café, forêt noire, tiramisu. Oh, j'adore, j'aime bien tiramisu. C'est tout. We've just been walking around, looking. I am feeling a little bit overwhelmed by the number of things they have here. I wish my brother had been here to help me make better choices as far as the food goes. I mean, the fresh stuff, you know, like fish, meat, I can decide which one I want, but some of the food just does not look familiar to me. Yeah, maybe later tonight, by the time he comes, hopefully the stores will still be open and we can run out. This was just 5 minutes away from us, so it's not too far. And last section, the baby section. Baby bottles, toys and games, diaper. They have playpen right here. And the food section. I told my son that I wouldn't buy him food anymore because he has not been eating his food. And the last food that I got for him tasted pretty good to me, so I'm not sure why he's not eating the food, but just so he tries it, I might I'm gonna get him 1 or 2 things, and that's it. We'll be checking out. All right, we are back and my brother is here. Say hello.
Hey,
let me
up?
get closer to you. Yeah, so my brother's here. Again, I was pretty overwhelmed by this store, so I only got a few things for us to eat immediately, and my brother is going to take us back to the store again, although a different one, so that should be fun. So we got some smoked salmon, cheese. I'm not sure what this is, some type of sweet treat for baby, baguette, chocolate. I need chocolate after going to the store. Some wine, orange juice, Madeleine, and I got cauliflower, grapes. They use bags instead of plastic at the store. Some boiled shrimp and prepared meal that I can throw in the oven. And all this here was $60. Yeah. I would say Europe is pretty expensive because I barely got much, and it was 60 euros. Oh, I said $60. 60 euros. So, yeah, not much.
You should go to bigger store.
Bigger store, yeah.
Yeah, it's cheaper.
Anyway, so we're gonna eat and head out to a different store.
Hey,
So,
hey, you can tell me
the
your
grapes
YouTube
look
channel?
nice. Apparently I got really expensive things, but good things, so I guess it's okay. The bread is good, cheese is good.
Woo.
Yum yum. Serve yourself. Looks good.
Yeah.
It is rice and I
Looks
believe
yummy.
chicken. It's very crunchy.
Okay, we got what we got here.
What? Oh, sorry.
Yeah, I record. Smile, smile,
Yum yum.
smile. So you don't talk?
Hmm?
You don't talk?
No.
Okay, you just
I'm
want
just
me to
eating.
film? I don't know, you said you want me to take a video.
It's good.
You got a message?
Dropped your cracker.
Mhm.
Just my what is it called?
You want your phone?
Yeah.